Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice about buying cars. Fritz is a great son. He wants to help replace his dad's 2011 Ford Taurus. It's been a sturdy machine, but it's getting up there in age, and he's looking to upgrade to something that, it rides a bit higher and has better visibility. With a budget of $20,000, what car should Fritz buy for his dad? Fritzy, everything in your head and your gut is going to tell you this is a terrible idea. I'm going to even tell you it's a terrible idea, but you're going to ignore all that, because what your dad needs, he deserves, is an 11-year-old BMW X6 M. Please disregard the fact that the one thing your father asking for is good visibility, because the X6M does not have that, at least not out the back. But you're going to be going so fast, you're only going to need to be looking out the front. Sure, there are plenty of reliable choices for your father, like a Lexus RX, something like that, but where's the fun in that? You don't want that shit. Since your father is an older man from Kansas, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say he's really not that into bits. And neither is the X6M. It's a serious vehicle for serious people. With a twin-turbo V8 and M-Tune suspension, it's really something on the road. And it's got all the gizmos and gadgets you could want. Fritzy, for your $20,000 budget, you're going to be able to find an X6M, but it might take a little bit of searching. However, when you do finally come across one, you're gonna hit it right around that $20,000 mark. It's gonna have about 85,000 miles on the clock, maybe a couple of tree owners. It's going to be rough, but you know what? When the going gets rough, Fritz, your dad gets going. For more car buying advice, check out Jalopnik.com.